Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to remove objects from photo with Phosus. So, let's get started. To begin, let us open your preferred web browser and head to Phosus.com. If you are new to Phosus, don't worry. I recommend watching my in-depth video guide titled Getting Started with Phosus. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up your account seamlessly. However, if you are already familiar with the platform, simply log in to access your customized dashboard. Now that we are logged in, let's dive straight into the action. Find and click on the dashboard button, conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. Take a moment to explore your dashboard. It is a creative hub filled with a wide array of powerful tools designed to elevate your image editing experience. To embark on our object removal journey, navigate to the left sidebar and select Tools. Alternatively, if you prefer a more relaxed scroll, continue downwards until you stumble upon the feature we are eager to use, In Painting. By clicking on In Painting, you will step into the realm of image enhancement. It is time to choose the photo from which you want to remove objects. You have two convenient options here. You can either upload your image with a simple click or streamline the process further by effortlessly dragging and dropping your chosen image into the designated area. Now, let's take a closer look at the tools within Phosus that make removing objects from photos a breeze. Whether it's an animal, a house, or a car, anything, Phosus has you covered. You will notice a brush tool that allows you to select the areas of the image you want to remove. Adjust the brush size to fit your needs, making it larger for larger areas or smaller for precision. Once you have selected your image, start using the brush to mark the objects you want to remove. Click on Proceed and then Phosus will then intelligently analyze your image, detect the areas you have marked, and seamlessly remove the unwanted elements. It is like magic happening right before your eyes. Now, let's address a key factor: patience. The speed of this process depends on your internet connection. For those fortunate enough to have high internet speed, the transformation will occur in the blink of an eye. However, if your internet connection is on the slower side, don't worry. The exceptional results you will achieve are well worth a brief wait. And there you have it. Your image has been flawlessly relieved of its unwanted objects from the background. Take a moment to admire your photo. Now, clean and ready for whatever creative purpose you have in mind. Without the unnecessary objects in the background, you can use this image for a variety of purposes, from personal projects to professional presentations. But wait, there is one final step: downloading your enhanced masterpiece. A simple click on the download button will prompt Photos to efficiently save your enhanced image to your device. It is important to remember that each download consumes some credits, so use them thoughtfully. Enjoy your beautifully edited images and revel in the newfound freedom of creativity that Phosus offers. That's it. You have successfully learned how to remove objects from the background of an image with Phosus. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a professional graphic designer, or someone who simply enjoys enhancing images, Phosus is a versatile tool that can take your creations to the next level. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips, and keep exploring the boundless possibilities of image editing with Phosus. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.